Want to learn how to install tracking links in Practice Better? Stay tuned, because in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the exact steps to get it set up efficiently, and you'll also discover how to get even more out of it with some cool alternatives for tracking and analytics. First off, to start adding tracking links in Practice Better, you'll need to log into your account and head over to the Integration section. This is where you can manage all external services and tools you want Practice Better to work with. Here, look for the Tracking Links option and click on it to open the Setup menu. It's fairly simple, but definitely worth doing right, so stick with me. Next, you'll need to enter the details for the tracking link itself. This is where the fun part begins. You'll need to paste in the URL you want to track, whether that's a link to a website or a specific landing page. Once you've done that, Practice Better allows you to customize it with tags or additional parameters to filter the data as needed. Make sure you're clear on what metrics you want to track. You can even use the UTM parameters here to get more specific analytics for your tracking. Now, let's move on to setting up your goal for this link. This is where you define what success looks like. For example, you can set a goal for click-through rates or conversions depending on your campaign needs. If you're running any digital marketing campaigns, this feature is crucial for measuring ROI and seeing what's really working. The fourth thing you'll need to do is test the link. Always test before going live. You don't want to be sending out links that are broken or sending data to the wrong place. You can test the tracking link within Practice Better by clicking the Preview option. This gives you a quick snapshot of whether everything is set up correctly and if the tracking data is coming through. Finally, once your tracking link is up and running, don't forget to review the reports. Practice Better does a decent job of showing the analytics, but it's not the most robust tracking platform if you're dealing with complex needs or a large volume of traffic. If you're just getting started, it'll work fine, but if you're looking for more advanced features, there are better options available. Now, here's the thing, while Practice Better has its strengths, it may not be the best solution if your goal is to track detailed behavior or high-volume traffic. For more advanced tracking, you might want to consider alternatives like name of competitor software, which offer more in-depth analytics and customizations for your links. And here's the best part. Through the link in the description, you can grab an exclusive, extended free trial of Practice Better, but I've also included some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. These alternatives come with free trials as well, and through our link, you'll get the best possible trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So make sure to check that out and see if one of these options works better for your tracking and analytics needs. Thanks for watching.